Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. In the previous lesson, I showed you how to play the very popular song, I Can Only Imagine, written by Bart Millard of Mercy Me in 1999, using the chords of E, E sustain 2, and B7 sus 4, those three chords. Today I want to show you how to play, using these same chords, but using only the E shape chord. So if you know E, I'll just show you how to use that up the fretboard, those three positions, and that's all you'll need to know. So let's get started. Only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus, or in all of you be still? Will I stand in your presence, or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Hey, if you like this song, be sure and hit the like button at the end of this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so already, I appreciate all my subscribers. Let's do a quick review of the chord again of E major, in case you don't know that. E major, you put your first finger on the third string of the first fret, your second finger on the fifth string of the second fret, then your third finger on the fourth string of the second fret, and then strum all strings. That is E major, okay? And we're going to keep this shape throughout the entire song. So, okay, to play the A chord, you just simply go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frets. And then you can play all the strings except for the top string in this case, okay? But it's still, as you notice, it's an E shaped chord. Okay, that makes the A. Here's E. Slide up 5 frets, that is the A. Slide up 2 more frets, 1, 2, play all the strings but the very top one, and that'll be the B note, B chord, okay? These are the 3 chords for the entire song, okay? To play the verse, you're just simply playing E and A, going back and forth from this first fret to the 5th fret, okay? Look at the chord progression. You got 2 measures of E, and then you have 2 measures of A, and then that's just simply repeated on the verse 3 times. Repeated 3 times for the verse, okay? So to go something like this. I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Okay, and then on the chorus, we want to stay on that A chord up on the 5th fret. And that'll take us right into the chorus, okay? And then we'll play A, 1 measure, and then slide up 2 frets to get the B chord, okay? And we'll play that 1 measure, and then we'll slide all the way down to E, and we'll play that twice, 2 times. So you repeat that. So it'll be A, 1 measure, B, 1 measure, and then E, 2 measures. And repeat that 2 times. And then the ending on the 3rd time, we'll just play the E just one measure. So the verse ended with the A chord. That'll take us right into the chorus. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus, or in all of you be still? Will I stand in your presence, or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Very simple, and you can play that chorus through a couple of times. Of course, they sing that chorus again in a higher pitch, but it's just using the same chords over and over again. So very easy song to play. So the previous lesson I showed you how to play, you know, the same chords, basically staying down here on the low end of the guitar neck. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. That concludes it. And again, be sure and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. It's free. There's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription, so I will be easier to find when I load new video lessons. So have a blessed day, and God bless you. Bye.